My business tip for today is when you are opening your own salon, make sure you can afford the entire salon rent yourself. Remember 2 years ago when the lockdowns came? Yeah, a lot of people snuck into the salon at night, packed up their stuff, and took off. Left the salon owner to pay all of that rent themselves. They did not pay their booth rent. They did not feel a bit bad about not paying their booth rent. They just, as we used to say, skedaddled. And so anyway, a lot of salon owners lost their businesses because they had overextended themselves with their own debt, in their private lives, be it credit cards, too much of a mortgage, what have you, and they could not pay the salon rent that they were legally obligated to pay because they signed a contract with a commercial landlord. So that is my tip to you all. Things change and they happen very suddenly. I've known several occasions where there's been an entire salon walkout. That is, unbeknownst to the owner, the staff has been planning to leave, and one day they all leave. So I've seen that happen too. And sometimes the salon owners were in a better position where they weren't carrying debt and they were able to make their commercial payments to their building landlord, and other times they couldn't find any new people to come in to pay them rent and their shop closed. And so it's very shocking when that happens. So you must always be prepared. You don't ever want to be beholden to somebody else, and you sure don't want to be beholden to credit card debt, because that's the quickest way to sink your fastest growing tool, which is your income. You're giving it all away to bills. So that's my business tip from 35 years of being a nail tech. I've seen a lot, I've done a lot. And if you'd like more info on our Nails Only trade show we hold every year at Gatlinburg, Tennessee, go to nailtechevent.com. Thanks. Peace out, nail techs.